Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. I appreciate your time today. So if you've ever purchased a new Harley Davidson, you know that I would say most, if not all of them, come with a 2-year factory warranty. And I've never really went beyond that. You know, when you buy the motorcycle, you know, you get to the little room where you sign the paperwork and all that stuff. And of course, you know, they try to sell you on an extended warranty, extended service plan. And I never really engaged in any of that because there's a reason, because I typically don't keep my motorcycles that long. There have been some in the past that I've kept maybe even, you know, 6-8 months, something like that, before I've gotten rid of. And I was just trying to find, you know, that perfect motorcycle that fits well for me. And now that I've got this lowrider ST, I want to hang on to it for quite a while, at least another 2-3 years at least. Now there's a reason that I'm bringing all of this up. As I mentioned in the intro, this lowrider ST, the factory warranty is about to expire, and somebody like myself, I am going to need some type of warranty on this motorcycle. Now the good thing is this: so it's going to expire, the factory warranty is going to expire in August. Well, when I originally bought the motorcycle, I bought this one and I upgraded the tire and wheel. And I'm glad I did that. So I upgraded the tire and wheel to a 4-year plan. So even though the factory warranty is going to expire, I'm still going to have 2 years on tire and wheel in case, you know, I get a blown tire or something happens. You know, that's going to be covered for a $50 deductible. So that's not bad at all. You know, that's a good deal if you ask me. Now let's go over a few things that are included with the factory warranty. Now, before I get too far into this, let me tell you this, that if you have any questions about this, I would not straight up take my word for it. I would check with your local dealership. They're going to have the best information for you. These are just things from my own experience and from some information that I've looked up. So of course, anything from the factory regarding the engine is going to be covered. Any work that any local dealerships do, that is also going to be covered. Your engine and your transmission, for example, okay, all of those are going to be covered for a period of 2 years. If you, by chance, put any Screaming Eagle parts on your motorcycle, well, those have the Harley Davidson stamp on those, so those are going to be covered as well. Let's see, if you have any oil leaks, that's going to be covered. If you have stock exhaust, that's going to be covered. The frame of your motorcycle, if there's any problems with the frame of your bike, that is going to be covered as well. So we've went over a few things that the warranty covers. What does the warranty not cover? Well, from my understanding, there's a whole list of things. So I'm really just going to try to hit the highlights here. Number one being the chrome finish on your motorcycle. So, you know, you're riding around, a pebble comes up and dings your motorcycle. All right, the chrome is not necessarily going to be covered under the Harley Davidson factory warranty. Also, things like you know, negligence on our parts. You know, you don't put oil in your motorcycle. Of course, they're not going to cover that. If your motorcycle is exposed to the weather, in other words, if you store your bike outside, or if it spends more time outside than it ever does in a, you know, covered garage or a carport or things like that, okay, Harley's not going to honor that if something happens to your bike. And let's see, also wear and tear, right? Wear and tear is just a natural thing that occurs with automobiles and cars, trucks, motorcycles, and of course Harley Davidson can't honor the warranty just for normal wear and tear. So have I already purchased an extended warranty? As a matter of fact, yes, I have, and here's a little bit of background on that. So pretty soon this motorcycle is going to be going to Harley Davidson, White Lightning Harley Davidson, to get a stage 2. As a matter of fact, that's where we're going right now, to drop the motorcycle off. So I had a choice I had to make. I could either, for my stage 2, use all Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle products and get a Harley Davidson extended warranty, or I could get some aftermarket parts, but then I would have to find an extended warranty plan that would honor third-party and aftermarket parts. So that's what I did. I went with the aftermarket solution. Got to stop and get gas here, and then I'll fill you guys in on the rest of the details. Okay, full tank of gas secured. Where were we? Right, the extended warranty that I just purchased for this motorcycle. So I ended up getting I know I'm going to butcher the pronunciation of this, and I apologize, but it's something like Autrella. I'll put the correct spelling up on the screen. Autrella, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, and the reason I went with this one again is because for the Stage 2, I'm getting some aftermarket parts. Not a lot, but some. But there are other projects that I have in mind for this motorcycle where, again, aftermarket parts, third-party aftermarket parts are going to be involved. And so that was the best choice of an extended warranty for me. So let's talk about what did I get and what was the cost. So I ended up going with a 3-year, like a bonus plan, 3-year something plan, and it also included the tire and wheel protection on that one as well. So going forward, I'm going to be able to have everything covered on this motorcycle, the Harley engine, the Harley transmission, plus any aftermarket parts that I have, and then I'm able to add more going forward. So it allows me, it gives me the ability to get a repair on this motorcycle if I need to, and for the future going forward with upgrades and modifications. So that's exactly what I needed, and very, very happy with that so far. Now, it was expensive. It was not cheap. It was most certainly expensive. So it was right around $1,800 for the extended warranty, which is a lot of money when you factor in, you know, getting the Stage 2 done on this one as well. So those two expenses right on top of each other are not cheap, but sometimes owning a Harley Davidson isn't. But the way I look at it is this, to be perfectly honest with you. I mean, there's two types of people when it comes to motorcycles, isn't there, when it comes to mechanical stuff? Those who can do it themselves and those who can't. And I fall under that category of those who can't. I've always been an IT guy. I mean, that's been my career for forever, since I, you know, had my first real job. Been an IT guy. And so I just don't have the mechanical know-how to fix something if something goes sideways. I need experts at the ready to be able to help me out, and that's what the extended warranty does. If you can do it all yourself, then I get it. There's no need for you to have an extended warranty. So that's kind of my logic and my thoughts and my justification behind getting an extended warranty for this Lowrider ST. So as I get ready to pull into White Lightning Harley Davidson over here, let me know if you guys have an extended warranty, or even if you would want an extended warranty for your motorcycle. So they're going to be working on this one for the next couple of days. I'm going to be working as well, so I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can, but I really can't make any promises. You know, that full-time job sometimes gets in the way. But I tell you what, I appreciate you guys so very much. Be sure to check back in with the channel. I should have more information soon on this lovely Stage 2. You guys have a good one. My buddy Paul. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.